Welcome to my channel. Today I will build a simple book holder from an oak shelf that is 20 centimeters wide, 120 centimeters long, and 1.8 centimeters thick. I start by setting the stop block to 20 centimeters on the sled. Then I cut two pieces that will become the roof of the holder. Once I have cut two pieces measuring 20 by 20 centimeters, I adjust the stop block to 23 centimeters. Finally, I set the stop block to 30 centimeters and cut another piece. Now I have all the pieces needed for the holder. I make a mark exactly in the middle of one short side on the piece that is 30 centimeters long. Then I use a 45-degree square and draw two lines from the marking in the middle out towards the sides of the piece. When this is done, I cut the piece along the lines. I set the saw blade to a 45-degree angle. Then I cut the two pieces that are 20 centimeters long and one piece that is 23 centimeters long at a 45-degree angle on both ends. I glue the two pieces that are 20 centimeters long together at an exact 90-degree angle. While I wait for the first glue to dry, I attach the foot to the long piece. To make it stable, I use both glue and screws. When this is done and the first gluing has dried, I glue the roof onto the long piece and finally the last piece of 23 centimeters at the bottom of the roof so that the roof and the last piece form a triangle. This is what the book holder looks like when it's finished. After assembling the pieces, I sanded all the surfaces and applied a coat of clear varnish. That's why the book holder has a pointed roof, and now I also know where I put my reading glasses. Time for a nap.